Good everyone, welcome back to my channel, Life Under the Disc. Makes a big help if you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm out here in the Great Sandy Desert, waiting on some clients, and I thought I'd just take the moment to talk about a drone I've been learning to fly. And this is it here. It's a DJI Neo. You can grab this from any of your local retailers, stuff like that. It's an absolute beast to fly. Obviously I've never flown a drone before, so I'm still learning how to do all this stuff. It's a very light drone, it's under 250 grams, so anyone can fly it. Yeah, it's excellent. I've been flying it in 20 knot winds around here. Not much to bang into, luckily. And yeah, it's sort of a thing I'm going to talk about in the channel. Some drone stuff, because I think drones have got to the point now where they actually complement the helicopters. This helicopter here is an AS350 Squirrel. I'm working with HeliWest at the moment. Alright, so stay tuned and we'll have a talk about the drone, and you'll see some more drone footage. So here I am, just flying over some trees, coming to have a look at the aircraft. Now this thing weighs, the Neo weighs 135 grams, and considering the wind I was super impressed at how stable it was coming in. I was recording this on the 12 megapixel camera at 4K at 30 frames per second, all of this vision. Another shot, just trying to get my head around the stability of it, panning and zooming. We're just flying in, see how close I could get to the blades, and then I tried to land it in my hand, which it did. You just put your hand out and it plumps into your hand. It's an excellent feature. Follow me. Yes, like a little puppy dog. You just put it on your body and it just tracks you along. Super cool feature. I'm going to definitely be using this a lot more in future videos. This country, that grass that looks like grass is actually spinifex, and it's really spiky. So if you're ever walking through there, make sure you have your long pants and boots on. It certainly jams into your skin. It's pretty funny. This here is a still picture from the camera in the Neo. Excellent camera. Really clear images. This was pretty interesting. I thought I'd come in and land it on my hand, went to grab it, or put my hand under the unit, and it just blew out. It's so windy, it's such a light little critter. Just something to watch out for. If you want to have a good landing, make sure you really let it land, sort of maybe downwind of your body. Practicing the panning and tilting, as if I was looking around the helicopter, looking at the blades and the hub. Kind of a cool way to look at the blades. You can see the wind flapping the blades there. Okay, practice racing around a tree. There's not many trees in the desert, but the ones that are there, kind of handy to do the practice. Learn to slew it around more. Yeah, it's good. very responsive on the controls. And this, yeah, I'm going to come up over the aircraft again and tilt the aircraft towards the camera by tilting down on the nose of the camera. Now for a bit of fun, just zooming around the desert. We've got some of the walkers coming back in, some of the scientists. So yeah, just sort of poke down and have a look at them, say good day to them with the drone. You see the other walkers coming in. I didn't want to get too close to them. Yeah, have some fun just zooming around the grass, spinifex. Okay, venturing a little higher now. The wind was coming down a little bit, so I was able to get a little higher. You can see how stable it is. It's a really impressive little drone. I'll just do a reveal in on the aircraft. I was getting about 18 minutes of battery, which I think is pretty good. You get 3 batteries with the kit I got, so yeah, it was easy to keep going. And you just recharge it with my portable battery. I was really concentrating on here not to rush it, slew it around. So it's a B3 Classic, the squirrel. Yeah, practicing more of a cinematic reveal. Blah, squirrel. Yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Like I said earlier, it does make a big difference to the channel. Just a quick little blast through the tops of the trees, ending up looking back at the helicopter. Just coming up, revealing, you can see the vastness of the desert. There's just nothing out there. The sand dunes and ancient relics from the past. Still pretty windy here, so this is all manual, and this is not using any of the automatic features of the aircraft, of the Neo. Revealing more of the vastness of the desert. It's just mind-boggling how big the horizon is in this neck of the woods. So I'm going to scoot down, have a look at it. Trying to come up over the little wire cutter there and just clip the wire cutter, bounced off the roof, but that's fine. It's got full guards on it, so then I took the opportunity to keep flying, have a look down the tower boom, and I'll come around the back of the aircraft and look over the top. camera pan down slightly here, give it more of a cinematic effect with the aircraft in the top of the frame. It's a nice little effect. Again, just flying over the roof, just as practice. And then we come through the fun bit where I flew through the cabin. Straight through, zoom, zoom, zoom. It's just such a good little gizmo. Yeah, it was just a bit of a slew turn, looking back at the aircraft, and then coming in. Yeah, excellent little drone. Yep, I highly recommend anyone buy this Neo as a first drone. I think it's going to be really good. I'm super excited about doing some more filming with it. Well, thanks everyone for watching. If you'd like to like and subscribe, it makes a huge difference to the channel. And I hope you're all looking forward to the next show. Okay, see ya.